This bridge links the train station directly to the Royal North Shore Hospital, and over time it had become tired, rusted and unsafe. What was once a critical connection had turned into a daily frustration and a genuine risk for the people using it.
It was ugly.
It's just getting dilapidated.
The screens were deteriorating, visibility was poor, and pedestrians were moving through a space that no longer felt secure. For perfect remediation, the brief was simple: refresh the bridge, restore safety, and do it without disrupting the people who rely on it every day.
Traffic, I think that was the biggest challenge.
That area is off Pacific Highway, constant traffic. The compliance is quite heavy. Communication with councils, Transport for New South Wales, buses, police in the area.
Notifications to all residents, the business owners, to everyone who was going to be involved at some level.
All communicating together to get the job done.
To safely remove panels for refurbishment, the bridge was fully closed. This 4-week closure marked the most intense phase of the project.
Working from 8 at night to 5 in the morning.
People going from the train station, going to visit their friends and family at hospital, and without the bridge open, it was just a hassle.
This was a live environment. Keeping access moving safely was a non-negotiable.
We had to install hoardings along the bridge to really protect it, to make sure that nothing would fall and damage public infrastructure or cars or people. We had two-way radios, pedestrians, redirection, barricades along the work area, lighting, signals, in heavy communication with the traffic controllers to make sure that if there is any risk, work stop. Everything is in place, ready for us, and we just manage it safely.
It meant so much to the local community. When the hoardings got pulled down, couldn't wait to walk over the bridge.
It's a new bridge, so yeah, it's nice to be part of it.
Extending the life of assets, it's improving assets and infrastructure, and that's what we like doing.